I'm Asada, and I'm going to show you how to make an alkaline milkshake. Here's a glance at 10 of the 11 ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, a few shakes of ground ginger, a few shakes of ground clove, a handful of walnuts, a handful of Brazil nuts, a few slices of fresh ginger, 7 medjool dates, about 4 tablespoons of sea moss gel, about 1 tablespoon of tahini, 2 burro bananas, about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 4 cups of water. Blend on high for 2 minutes for a creamy shake, or 4 to 5 minutes for one that's less thick. The longer this blends, the more it heats up. So while this is going, prepare a jar with some ice. When it's reached the desired consistency, pour over ice, shake well, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing.